guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel. Today we will discuss about top 10 product to buy on Amazon under $20. Number 10. Running Press Desktop Boxing $10. This desktop boxing starter kit from Running Press comes with a mini desktop punching bag, 2 tiny boxing gloves for your index fingers, and a book with suggested finger boxing moves to get the tiny training process started. Suction cup the bottom of the punching bag to your desk, and suddenly, break time becomes a bit more therapeutic. Number 9. Join Bubble Bath Bombs, 8-pack, $20. Each bath bomb in this Bubble Bath Bomb set from Joyn comes with a surprise mochi squishy toy. With a variety of sweet scents: orange, lavender, strawberry, grape, apple, peach, watermelon, and marshmallow, these fizzy bath bombs make a fun gift for kids ages 3 and up. And when the bubbles finally clear, you'll have a stretchy and adorable bath time souvenir. Number 8. Alien Push Pop Rainbow Sensory Fidget Toy, set of 3, $13. This 3-packet stress relief push pop toys from Alien might be just the thing for anyone returning to the office in the coming months. These sensory or fidget toys rose to popularity in 2017. Created to relieve stress and anxiety, and to help folks focus more easily, fidget toys have made a big comeback, for obvious reasons. These silicone push-pop toys come in an array of fun shapes and colors, and may provide some relief from a stressful day. Number 7. Diffuser Love 300 ml Essential Oil Diffuser $17. This LED essential oil diffuser from Diffuser Love can help set the tone for the day with noiseless aromatherapy that's soothing to the senses. The diffuser's 7 color modes provide a peaceful light as cool mist rises into the air. The remote control function means you won't need to disturb your freshly cultivated calm when you're ready to turn it off. You can even set it to intermittently turn on and disperse a relaxing oil, such as lavender, throughout the day or night. Number 6. APL Character Sheet Masks, 6-pack, $11. This character-themed set from APL comes with 6 sheet masks, each with its own skincare function. Choose from a cheetah, otter, panda, unicorn, mermaid, or llama for a festive and fun spa experience suitable for all ages. This is a fun gift for any person who wants to lighten their mood while they treat themselves and their skin. Number 5. Tolevo Tea Infuser, the Dinosaur, set of 2, $15. These dinosaur-shaped tea infusers from Tolevo are made with non-toxic silicone, and will give you a compellingly cute excuse to smile and buy more loose-leaf tea. Just place tea into the body of the dinosaur, and let it sink to the bottom of a mug to steep. Easy to clean and microwave and dishwasher safe, these dinosaurs will make certain that tea time never involves a mouthful of loose tea leaves. Number 4. Bayshita Small, Desktop USB Fan $18. This adorable rotating cactus desk fan is perfect for keeping you cool under pressure on the job, whether at the office or at home. Unlike many USB desk fans, this 3-speed model has a battery that lasts up to 3.5 hours at top speed, so it doesn't need to stay tethered to a laptop. Number 3. Leventis Corgi Dog Plush Pillow $11.80. An adorable corgi can brighten just about any day. This plush and cuddly corgi pillow from Leventis measures 11.8 inches. A larger, 17.7-inch corgi is available for $22, and has a zipper on the side so you can remove its stuffing and wash it when it gets dirty. Choose from 3 colors. Number 2. Casa Smart Light Bulb, MultiColor $13. The right lighting can definitely improve the vibe of a room and bring a little bit of cheer. These Wi-Fi-enabled smart bulbs for Casa Smart setup without requiring a separate hub, so it's easy to fill any room with whatever color light you choose. Group multiple lights together for an even cooler, custom look. Number 1. Brightworld Moon Lamp $16. This touch-controlled 3D printed lunar lamp from Brightworld lets you sleep under a full moon every night. Cordless and designed using data by NASA satellites, this lamp gets you as close as possible to holding the moon in the palm of your hand. Use it as a nightlight, or to add ambience to a room. It has 2 light modes and is dimmable, with a battery life lasting anywhere between 6 and 12 hours based on its brightness. That's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.